Hey, so why did I decide to buy this case? Well, the case that I reviewed before, it was pretty nice, but it was a little bit heavy and bulkier. This one is much more slim and I can fit in my pocket and is much lighter as well. So this is the type of setup that I was looking for. It's like just a regular case, but with the capability of utilizing filters. Come with me and let's have a look how this case will help me to make some videos and can help you as well. Alright, so time to go and grab my camera equipment. So, now it's time to find something to eat because I'm starving. So, yeah, the city center is pretty packed today. A lot of people here. I'm trying to see if this is a good setup for vlogging. It's just the moment case with the anamorphic lens and also a small gimbal. Zhiyun Q2. So I think it's something that can be utilized as a vlogging daily driver. So far I'm pretty impressed with this case. Now, one thing that I realized that when utilizing the anamorphic, it's better to utilize a small gimbal with it. Otherwise, you're gonna see that you're gonna face some wobble effect in the image. So I'm gonna do some handheld shots so you're gonna see what I'm talking about. See, this is just handheld, how it looks like. Is it, do you see this wobble around the corners when we do like this? Yeah, so this is why I think with the anamorphic it's important to use a small gimbal, otherwise you're gonna see this wobble effect every time. So what are my thoughts about this case? Well, if you're looking for something that is very light and looks like a regular case, this one is totally recommended. So one thing you need to keep in mind when buying this case. There is one piece of accessory that is required in order to attach lenses to it. This is the lens adapter. The way it works is pretty simple. If you buy the case, it's just the regular rubber case, but then you get this adapter and then you just slide in and that's it. Once you do that, then you have it here and then you can slide your phone and then add some lenses. So this is how you can add some lenses to your iPhone and make some crazy amazing shots. So why the need for additional lenses? Well, first, the regular camera from the iPhone, although it's very nice, it's very tight. So if you want to do some vlogging, you will see that you don't capture much around you. I'll give an example, okay? Okay, so this is a test with the iPhone, only with the regular lenses. You're gonna see that this is very tight. That's why I like to add additional lenses, especially the anamorphic one, because it gives this wider field of view, but also gives this cinematic feeling. And one thing I realized, I really enjoy filming with the iPhone. You know, the high dynamic range and the quality of the shots, it ended up being very, very nice. Now, There is one thing that I don't like though, it's the skin tones and also some of the colors that comes out of the iPhone, but this is just a matter of preference, okay? You can be totally okay with the quality of the iPhone and you can love the colors as it is. If you like the colors that you saw in this video, have a look into this other video here where I show you how to color grade your iPhone footage. So my goal is to help you to take advantage of your iPhone or any mobile phone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.